Welcome to SnapComms, your internal communications solution. Want to spread the word about an upcoming event or a change in your company? Use a countdown screensaver like this one. You can format the countdown, choose a background image, add a text explanation, and when the countdown reaches 0, everything can change. To get started, log in to the Content Manager and click on your company folder. Select a project and choose Content. These are all of my messages, and these are my screensavers. To add a new screensaver, just click Create at the bottom, and then click on Screensaver. Your screensaver's name is how it will appear in each user's message history window, and also in your content folder. The description is just for your reference. Next, choose Countdown Screensaver, and again, click Create. Now, click Browse and upload a background image for your screensaver. You can also upload a different image, which will appear after the countdown reaches 0. If you like, you can allow users to click on the countdown to reach a file on your network, or a page on your intranet or on the web. Just enter the network address or the URL. And you can also direct them to a different page if they click after the countdown reaches 0. Next, you'll see a preview of the countdown itself. You can enter the date and time of your event, and the countdown will be updated automatically. Be sure to use 24-hour format, for instance 15 for 3 p.m. By default, that's 3 p.m. local time, based on the clock on each user's computer. If you like, you can open the drop-down and use Greenwich Mean Time instead, and the countdown will hit 0 for all of your users simultaneously, no matter where they are in the world. To customize the countdown, click on Countdown Format. You can use long text labels like 30 minutes, short labels like 30M, or no labels at all. As before, the sample countdown is updated automatically. Would you like to separate each field with colons or not? Should the countdown include days or start with hours? Should it include seconds or not? And should it stop when it reaches 0? Or should it continue into negative numbers? Should your text labels appear to the left of the numbers, like hours 3, or to the right, like 3 hours? You can also change the countdown font style. Choose a font type and a font size, make it bold, or even change the color. And you can also choose where the countdown should appear on the user's screen, from top left to bottom right. Check Show Descriptive Text, and you can type in a message to add to your screensaver. For instance, an explanation of what you're counting down to. Use the toolbar to format your text. And you can also enter a different message which will appear after the countdown reaches 0. Your message can appear above or below the countdown. Finally, choose whether the background image you uploaded earlier should be stretched to fill the full screen, or whether it should be displayed at its current dimensions. When you're done, click Save at the bottom, and then work your way across the tabs at the top. Choose the date and time when your screensaver should first appear, the users or groups who should see it, and any advanced options. For instance, how long should this screensaver remain on each user's screen? Should it disappear as soon as they touch their keyboard or mouse, or should it keep running until they click Escape? If your screensaver includes a hyperlink, be sure to select the Escape option, so a user can move their mouse to click on your link. Save your changes on each tab, and then come back to the Main tab. Click Preview to see what your screensaver will look like. Adjust any settings as needed, and then click Publish and Confirm. At the date and time you chose, your screensaver will be downloaded to each user's desktop. When their computer is idle, they'll see your image, text, and countdown. Depending on the options you chose, they can click on your image for more information. And the image, text, and link can all change once the countdown reaches 0. Just remember, if you publish more than one screensaver to the same user, they'll all play in turn. Thanks for watching. To learn more, please visit our forum at help.snapcomms.com. or just visit www.snapcomms.com.